And before we go to our Ray of Hope, I just want to tell our viewers that in our nightly news at 10:30, we will have more action from nomination day activities from across the country. Now, to this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, some police officers in St. Elizabeth have been trading in their uniforms for chalkboards and offering life lessons that go well beyond the classroom. Details in this report.
Class is in session, except the lessons are non-academic. The teachers, mainly police officers from the St. Elizabeth Police Division.
I'm a tutor for children ages 4 to 9, and I will be taking them through some activities as the day progresses.
They recently joined forces with construction company M&M Jamaica Limited to host a summer camp for over 100 youth from the parish.
So rather than them being at home and being idle and run the risk of being drawn into criminal activities, they can come out and participate in these activities, being introduced to new skills and to create new friendships.
The camp is founded on 4 main tenets for the children to embrace, to learn to know, to learn to do, to learn to live with one another, and to learn to be.
Head of the St. Elizabeth Police Division, Coleridge Mento, says a major part of the camp centers around conflict resolution. This the police view as necessary given the number of violent incidents involving school-aged students. Team building is also key.
The aim after this week is that they'll be able to leave here with some lifelong skill sets that will aid them as they return to their communities, into their schools, and to be ambassadors for, ambassadors of peace.
He considers the camp to be well needed, specifically because there are some children who, for some reason or another, fear the police.
This camp offers the opportunity for children who would not normally be engaged with the police, children who perhaps see the police in a different light, to now see them in a positive light. They're able to touch, they're able to dance with the police, they're able to play with games with the officers here, and the interaction has been absolutely amazing just to see how the children are interacting with our officers.
Fun aside, it is now hoped that the lessons learned at the camp will stay with the children for years to come. With the Ray of Hope, I'm Carrie Ann Simpson.